Alright, in this video we are going to be writing functions in Vertex form. They're going to start in standard form though. So let's get us a standard form equation. So let's see, y equals x squared, let's say minus 4x plus 6. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a space. Alright, you know this is A, B, C. Okay, so A is 1, B -4, and C 6. I am going to leave a space. What we have to do is actually called completing the square, which is actually in a later section of the book. Go figure. Why don't they teach this then? I don't know. Oh well. I'm going to put in parentheses my x squared minus 4x, leave a space, and I'm going to put my plus 6 out here. Okay, we are going to complete the square. We're going to get a new value for C. So our new C off to the side here is C is going to equal, we take our B and divide it in half, and then we square it. So B over 2 quantity squared. That will give us a new value for C. So since our B is -4, we're going to say equals -4 over 2 quantity squared. Well, -4 divided by 2 is -2. -2 squared is 4. So what does that mean? It means I'm going to add 4 inside of parentheses, and then I'm going to subtract it outside. Okay? Because if I add and subtract the same number, it's not going to change the value. It would just wipe each other out if I just got rid of the parentheses and just combined all like terms. So we have y equals, now I can write this as a square of a binomial. Okay, square root of our first term, x, sign from the middle, minus. Square root of 4 is 2. It's always that number there. So you notice you have a -2 there, -2. Okay? 6 minus 4 gives you plus 2. There's our vertex form. Not too shabby, huh? Now, what if A is not a 1? Okay, we're going to do another problem where A is not 1. All right, so we're going to say y equals, let's do 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. Why not? Okay, we're going to start out the same way. We're going to put in parentheses, so y equals 2x squared plus 4x, parenthesis, and our minus 8. Now, what we've got to do here is we have to factor out a 2 because the value of A here has to be a 1. So we say y equals, divide out a 2 from what's inside the parentheses. So 2 parentheses, we're going to have x squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So plus 2x. Close our parentheses and bring down our minus 8. All right, off to the side, we're going to find a new value for C. Remember, our B here is 2, this number here. So we're going to say C equals 2 over 2 quantity squared. Well, 2 over 2 reduces to 1. 1 squared is just 1. So we're going to add 1 inside. Now, here's the catch. This 2 is being multiplied by whatever is inside of parentheses. So we're really not adding 1, we're adding 2 times 1. So that means I have to subtract 2 times 1, which is 2, from out here. Okay? So bring this down, y equals, bring down this 2. We're going to write this as the square of a binomial. All right, and, well, 8 minus 2 gives you negative 10. And then on the inside, take the square root of x squared. It's just x. Sign from the middle, plus square root of 1, 1. Okay, here we have it. And see, our vertex would be negative 1, negative 10. And on this one, our vertex would be 2, comma 2. So see, if we had to find the vertex, we could do that. We now have vertex form. Alrighty? Alright, have fun.